how we are going to create our vision boards in minutes using Canva and Chat GPT. So first thing you want to do is go to Chat GPT. If you don't have Chat GPT, you can download it to your phone and log in on it. So at this time, we're assuming you have prepared your goals and you've broken them into categories. We are just going to use this prompt to create a vision board. As a life coach with 26 years experience, you have just written your goals for the new year, and here is the breakdown in categories: career, relationship, health, finances, and personal growth. Create a smart vision board to keep me inspired. Keep it simple with relevant suggestions, visuals, affirmations, and quotes. So this prompt right here has taken into cognizance the prompt formula. It has a persona, it has a tags, it has a tone, and other relevant features. So we'll just go right into it. We send. So ChatGPT here already has started creating for us a vision board in a text format, right? I don't want it to create an image for us because I want to customize this vision board myself to suit my person and my style. So here we have career, we have relationship, just as we have prompted ChatGPT to do for us. It has given us goals, it has given us suggestions for visuals, it has given us affirmation and quotes. So the next thing you want to do right off at this point is going into your Canva app. So you bring your vision into life. We are going to open Canva, and here's our Canva homepage, right? So you can either click on this plus sign down here to start a new project, or you go ahead to templates. Here we are just going to search. Don't worry, even if you're using Canva for the first time, this is so easy to navigate. With time, you can start practicing. With time, you get conversant to using it. You will just search here vision board, and Canva will display for us lots of templates we can use to customize our vision board. As you scroll below, you see very more templates. So you just choose a template that suits your style and your personality. So there are over 20,000 templates here. So for the sake of this video not being too long, I will just go ahead to use this template right here. So here is a template of a vision board. We are just going to customize this. So VR. So we'll start from the top to the bottom. So this is Tina's 2025 vision board, and she has a tag word right under the heading. You're not Tina, so you want to customize this to be yours. So we just highlight the text. I have to zoom this out so we see very well what we're doing. I'll just highlight the text. I'm okay with the 2025, so I'll just have to change the Tina, right? So what name are we going to use? I think we should go with Anne. So this will now be Anne's Vision Board 2025. So I don't like her tagline. I'm just going to change this tagline to something I would like. All I need to do is highlight the text. So I'll just change this to consistency all the way. Okay, and that's it. What is it? Consistency. Consistency all the way. Okay, and that's it. And up next, what we want to do is go ahead to start editing these boxes to suit what we already have as our goals for the year. So we click on this business. We don't have business in our goals. So we have career. So you want to highlight this text and select it so it becomes editable. So we can just type this in there, but we don't want to type, so we save time. We copy. Please, mind you, you can edit what ChatGPT has given to you, add and remove from it, so it becomes authentic. You are not likely to use exactly what ChatGPT has given to you. So we highlight our text now and paste it. ChatGPT has just given this to you as a guide. Customize it to make it, to own it, to make it really yours. So we now have career. And the next step there, Tina has her taglines. We do not have taglines. We have goals. We are just going to copy our goals. And we go back to ChatGPT, and we are going to highlight this text and change it to our goals. So we now have our goals here. So this is editable, right? You can move this around. You can increase the size. You can change the shape. If you look here, you have edit. You have text edit options down here. You have the color. You can make it bold, italize it, underline it. You can change the text style. You can change the font style. You can change the format and put bullets. Whatever you think you want to do with your text, you can do that with it. So next off, we are going to go ahead to the affirmation. I don't want to change the affirmation, right? I like the affirmation to be there, so I will know that this is an affirmation and I have to recite it every morning. So I'll highlight the part I want to change. I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll pick the affirmation ChatGPT has given to me, or I'll customize it to mine. If you have a specific or a particular affirmation you would like to use, okay, I'll just copy that and go over here now and I'll paste it and I'll change that. So if you look at it right now, you will notice that the text has gone beyond our box. So what are we going to do? We'll click out. We click out, we click on the box again, then we drag it to adjust it. So in case your affirmation becomes, the information becomes more than this, you can adjust this, but you can increase the size of the blue part here, which is the background. You can increase the size so it occupies more text, right? But I think this is just okay for us. So we go on now to change the visuals. What the ChatGPT recommend for us: a calendar filled with coaching sections for workshop, a screenshot of testimonials from certified clients. All these ones are what you can prepare already to have in your camera roll before loading them into Canva. But if you don't have that, you can rather use these icons representing growth, a laptop with an online course, enroll now banner. So I think we can use this. We should use this. We are not going to use this text. We are just going to copy this text now. Go to ChatGPT. When you click on the icon you want, on the image, like the visual you want to change, you click on replace to replace it. So if you have it in your camera roll, you can just go ahead and select it because this is my camera roll, or you upload it from the cloud. But we don't have any images anywhere from there. So I'm just going to click on photos. So I will use the ones I have on Canva. So I'll just go ahead and post this. I'll paste this here and I'll search for images that shows online enrollment banner. Okay, we have tons of images here right now and we can choose any one from here. But mind you, if you're using the free version of Canva, do not choose an image that has the pro sign on it. If you do that, you'll be unable to download your project when you are done. So I'm not using a free Canva. I can use this one. So I'll just select it because I like it. And that is that, it is there. And you take the same process all through. And we are going to change this one, the second one now. What does ChatGPT recommend that we use for our second visuals? A heart symbol or a handshake to represent strong bond. A journal page with healthy boundaries written boldly on it. So I think we should use this one. We should use this one. So we'll go just right there. We click on this. We click on replace. We go to the photos and we remove the one we searched before and paste the new one. And we search. So we have boundaries. Yes, boundaries. We have lots of photos here. I'm looking the one I have to use for the one I like to use. Okay. I will just go ahead and pick this one. And voila, we have boundaries. Yes, an image to show what we want for our relationship this year. So that is what you do all through to the end of your vision board, the last category you have. Now I'm just going to show us how to edit around this page. Let's say I don't like the color that this vision board is having. I'll just click on the background here now. And as you can see, the color is showing blue and I don't want blue. I don't like blue. So what I'll do now is to go ahead and change this color to something else. I'll click on color and I'll scroll down to the color I like to use. I can click this. As you can see, my vision board is taking another shape. So I don't like this part where the light green shade is showing. I can still change that. I can make it smaller. I can increase it and make it bigger. I can change the color. I can change the color and give it another color. So you see, that's what that looks like now. It's applicable to every pad. For this, I think it's bigger. It's cropping into my text. So I'll just have to shift it a little out of my text because I don't want it in my text. So what I'll just go ahead and do now, I will change this color because I think that upper part is just there. It's not looking beautiful. I'll try to see how I can make that beautiful. I will highlight the text. I just want to make this a bit stylish, so I'm not going to change everything. I'll just change a part of the text. And this is what my vision board is looking like right now. So many colors here. No, I just think it's just moderate. It's moderate. Okay, with this, your vision board is ready. It's ready, guys. You can go ahead and download. As you download, remember, if you use any pro icon, you will not be able to download this vision board. All right, vision board is fully downloaded. Yeah, it's fully downloaded. Hello. Here is our vision board ready for use. So you can choose to make this vision board your screensaver, just like I did. And that's it. A vision board you can carry with you wherever you go. Done in minutes. Thank you for your time. I hope this was helpful. You can share it with whomever you think might need it. Thank you.